Beginner trader banks £5,200 profit in their first trading month of the year. This person was a complete, or is a complete beginner. She's only been trading for a couple of months, and I had to literally sit with her and show her actually how to place a trade. And yesterday I just wanted to know how she got on for the month, and she texted me on WhatsApp saying she had 100% winning trades, which was absolutely fantastic. She made some nice profits in Vistra Energy, Celestica 1,600, a little bit on Nvidia, Twilio here was good, and Centuri made £156, which was really nice indeed. But that Twilio one was really good. But this is what she's doing, okay? And if you want to know more about her, I'm going to put a link in the description underneath this video where we done a podcast last week just chatting about her journey. Brand new trader. She literally gone from not knowing anything about trading. She's always wanted to get into it. She always, fancied having a little dabble at trading. So we made her sort of, we got her more structured. We got her more focused on what to look for, and we basically got her using our color coded system here. So this was a good one. This one dropped, okay, down here. She bought it when it turned green here. Very simple. This market is a US shares. It's in a major uptrend, and as it came back down and sold off, the buy signal, it said here that buyers were stepping in. As soon as it turns green, the buyers are stepping in, guys. So that was an easy buy signal for her. Then there was this Twilio one, which was green all the way up. No reds until we got into this phase here. And then we saw a new buy signal, a new green buy signal in here. She gets the gap up. So she's long the market. It gaps up even higher. And so she banks the profits on the gap. Now, if you ever are in a trade like this and it gaps up like this, then you've either got to move your stop up from underneath where you entered the trade and lock in these profits, because price loves to fill the gap. But at the moment, it's nice and green, and there's no reason to bank the profits. But she has taken some profits already on this, okay? So that's really good indeed. I think she's banked all of her profits, it looks like to me. And she bought some of Nvidia. Nvidia had a big sell-off. It went red on our pro trading system. And then just in here, we had all the tracks, and she bought some in here. And then it turned back to red really quickly. So perfect exit, really. She, not all the trades. This only one made her £45. But she got out and she managed her risk, which is the most important thing. She got the signal, and then the signal changed to red, which says that more sellers are coming in. And then she got out of it, which is great. So, that was only £45 profit. Celestica was £1,600 and 16 pence profit, which was really nice. And this is the key, guys. You've got to have a strategy that's over 70% winning trades at least. Then put your money management onto it. You've got to put risk management, okay? So you've got to make sure you're managing your risk on each trade. And then you just trade the system. You just trade the colors. If you do that, then your outcome, if the system is good, it has more than 70% winning trades. And if you're not having 70% winning trades, then, you need to have a look at maybe your strategy or behavior. But just a little bit about her as well. When she first came to me for coaching, she was a complete beginner. She didn't know what she wanted to do, really. And she said she wanted to become a swing trader. And she did swing trading, which is, perfectly fine. But then she said that, and this is in the discovery phase of all students, really, unless you're somebody that's been trading for a long time and can't make any money, and you know what your strengths and weaknesses are. She wanted to really do day trading off a 2-minute chart. She wanted to try that. So she was day trading off a 2-minute chart, and it was the worst thing she could have done. But it was the best thing in a way, because she discovered what she didn't want to do. She was really stressed when she was trading off a 2-minute chart, where if you're doing it, no lower than an hourly time frame and mostly daily charts, and it's nice, it's much more relaxing, then that will probably suit you, okay? Now, obviously, you can listen to her story on the link down below. But I think at the start of anyone, if you're a complete beginner, it's all about discovery, finding out what you want to do and seeing whether it is right for you, okay? So a really good success story here. Plenty of them coming through. I'll be getting all my students' updates for the month coming through, because it is the end of the month now. And I'm sure they've had a cracking month, because it certainly has been. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.